Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, learning Solidworks surfacing. So as you can see, I've created one car over here, BMW, and just like that, if I want to create this kind of a complex geometry, so how do I do that? Using surfacing commands, right? So I'm going to give you one example of complex curve which is drawn over here, either bonnet or this curve. So how to create this kind of perfect curve which is matching with your images and this geometry and other parts, right? So how to do that, I'm gonna give you the introduction. In the past videos, I have taught you how to set up your images. Okay, so according to, you can set up your blueprints and then you can start your work. So after as you can see, I have set up the blueprints of my BMW. Now I'm going to draw this one. As you can see, this curve, right? This curve I'm going to draw because it contains the all kinds of commands, and with easily you can grasp what is happening in this curve and which sketches I need. Okay. So firstly, I have 4 sketches right now here, and let's start with the first sketch. So as you can see, in the first sketch, I have drawn this curve, right? This curve, which is matching with my this images, right? So that's how you can do, and you can adjust your curve as well. So in the first sketch, I have drawn this, and in the 6, as you can see, if I edit this, in the 6 it is matching with this curve. So I have created this both curve. Now what I will do, I will project this both curves and making one project curve from that. So go to the features, go to the curve and select the project curves, and you can just select sketch on sketch, and you can select sketch 5 and sketch 6. Okay, my sketch is projecting over here. Okay, great, done. So one project curve is done. As you can see, this is the project curve I get. And now next step is to lock this curve. I need another curve. Okay, and between those I have to make a path, so that I have to create the second project curve, which is like that, to close this boundary, right? So as you can see, this is my boundary, this upper surface, and in the sketch it will be this one. As you can see, the lower one. So from both curves, I will make the project curve, and go to the sketch 7 and sketch 8. Done. My 2 project curves are done. Now it is not visible. So what you can do, you can just go to the project curve and wait. I will just go to 3D sketch and make this convert entity. So it will be visible, right? So as you can see, my curve is ready. Same here. You can go to this curve and okay, done. As you can see, my curve is ready now. This and this. Now you have to make a loft between that. It is perfect, I think. Okay, in the side view it is perfect. Also you can recheck in the top view as well. So it is perfect now. Now you go to the loft command, go to the surfaces and go to the loft surface, and you can just select the profiles and click it OK. My surface is ready now. The same way, what you have to do, you have to do it for a bonnet, and as you will do, you will have the better experience which curves I have to take first and which part I should start with. So I think from bonnet or fenders you can start with, because it will be very easy to capture the curves rather than going for the glass and hoods. It will be very difficult, right, to capture one curve. And also you need a very vast experience to selecting those kind of curves in the hoods. So that's why you just start with the basic, which is a fender or bonnet or something between them. So that will be easier for you, as I've created this part which is the same like that, same like this. Okay, so that's how you can create your portion. That's how SolidWorks works. I cannot draw the full car because it will take a lot of time and lot of corrections. That's why I taught you one example. So from this example you can just do more curves, and if you have any difficulties, just ping me down in the comments and I will do that for you. Just like if you have difficulties in bonnet, so you can just tell me that I have difficulties in this this particular example, so I can help you with that also. And I'll surely make a video on that if you ping me down in the comments, right? So till then, keep sharing, keep learning, and thank you for watching. Bye. See you.